Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while. Medyo naging busy lamang kaya hindi nakakapag-upload sa channel. But then, yeah, so for today we'll do a review and impression of the upgrade that I've made here sa aking sasakyan. So this is the review of the Growl audio system with 360 camera. So yun na nga, no? If you haven't watched yet yung aking review and impression dito sa sasakyan ko, which is a Subaru Forester, so I'll have the link below sa description box for that content. So yeah, so doon nyo malalaman kung ano yung mga features ng sasakyan, and one of its features is the audio system. Ito by stock meron na siyang 360 rin na built-in. Ngayon, nagkaroon kasi ako ng problem with the 360. So, nawala yung 360 camera niya technically dun sa unit. No? Even mag-reverse, nawawala siya. So, that's why I intend to upgrade my audio system. And I chose C Growl Audio. No? So, why Growl Audio? Of course, we all know Growl Audio naman is medyo matagal na siya sa market din for this type of audio system. And secondly, malapit lang siya sa amin. So, QC area lang din naman siya, no? So, yun. So, yun na nga. So, I chose them. So, yung product na kinuha ko sa kanila, it's for the Forester with 360 camera. Medyo natagal din yung nagkaroon ng head unit, no? But eventually, nag-message sila sa akin na nagkaroon na ng stock for the model year ng head unit for my car, no? So yun, so pina-install ko siya. Actually I have it last December. So yun, and then so far okay naman yung camera niya, okay lahat ng functions ng radio, the navigation, it's okay. So yun, and ang kinaganda kasi dito sa Growl is it runs in an Android OS. So meaning to say, you could install applications such as Spotify, YouTube, Netflix, o ano man yung mga applications na pwede mong gamitin sa or you could download via Android Play Store or Google Play Store. Of course, take note ha, huwag kayo mag-install ng mga kung ano-ano dyan kasi syempre, yung head unit natin ginagamit natin sa pagdadrive. Okay lang yan, gamitin ninyo kung nakahinto o nakapark lang kayo, pero don't use any application na pwede mag-distract sa inyo. Okay? So, secondly, yun nga, may 360 siya. And, yung 360 niya, nagamit naman yung mga butas ng 360 nung sa stock, no? So, hindi na kailangan magbutas, kumbaga, for the camera, especially sa side mirror, sa rear, and dun sa front. Yung sa front naman, clip lang siya. So, okay lang yon. Kaya, kumbaga na-manage ng pag-install yung apat na camera natin. Yung unit mismo is enabled din siya ng Android Auto. Not quite sure, alam ko pwedeng CarPlay wala kasi akong iPhone kaya hindi ko siya matest. But then, definite ako, Android Auto is enabled. So basically, you just need to connect via Wi-Fi yung phone ninyo, no need for cable. Para lang makakonect sa sa Android Auto. So basically, it will just mirror your phone. Papakita niya lang doon sa display, and then you could use your navigation, Spotify doon sa display na mismo without holding your phone. Siguro compare ko na lang din the differences between yung stock na head unit versus this Android head unit from Growl. Unahin ko muna syempre yung main reason ba't ako nagpa-install o nagpa-upgrade, yung kanyang 360 camera. Okay. So as mentioned kanina, from the stock meron siyang 360 na, but then yung 360 ng stock hindi siya ganun ka-crispy yung kanyang picture. Comparing it with this one, mas fine yung picture niya, kitang-kita yung buong paligid. And secondly, yung function mismo, let's say you're using turning signals, si Growl, nakikita mo siya kapag nag left or right ka, kahit tumatakbo ka, kita mo pa rin gumagana yung 360 nya. Comparing with the stock, kita naman siya kapag nag turning signals ka, but usable lang siya if you are running 20 kilometers or below. Kapag more than that, hindi na siya gagana. So let's say na sa expressway ka, hindi na gagana na yung turning signal na may display yung camera niya. Second, yung stock, it has its navigation application. So although yung navigation niya, it just use a shortest path lang. So kung pupunta ka from destination A to B, it will give you how many minutes or hours to travel doon, not considering kung may traffic or wala, or one way or so. That's why you need to still use yung Waze in order to make or yung at least estimate, na tamang estimate yung travel time mo. And since running siya in Android, so you could install Waze, you could also install Google Maps if you prefer it. Pero yun na nga, bottom line is you could use yung Waze dun sa head unit ng Grol. So in order to do that, ibig sabihin si Grol meron siyang capable of using internet. And good thing for that, you have two options. You may use SIM card, pwede kang mag-insert ng SIM card directly dun sa head unit, or if you have pocket Wi-Fi, then you can connect it via Wi-Fi connection. So as long as may internet, pwede mong gamitin yung mga applications niya. And then at the same time, you could do the recording ng mga kinakapture ng 360 camera. So not only front cam, parang yung dash cam, harap lang talaga. For this 360, so kuha niya yung front, both sides, and rear. So yun yung nare-record nun. And you just need to have a USB 2 flash drive to store the recording. So far, maganda naging experience ko dito sa sa upgrade na ginawa ko for the head unit, especially when doing long drives. So talagang very usable siya, since yun nga, as alert, of course, kailangan lang as a driver, no, responsible driver, syempre defensive driving ka pa rin. So if you're playing on something dun sa head unit, avoid na lang din yung mga ganon kung kaya, or kung kayang hindi naman mag-play para hindi lang ma-distract, then be a responsible driver, ika nga. I think this is it for my review and impression, no. So if you have any further questions regarding the head unit or regarding Grol, so you may reach them out. Very approachable sila, very accommodating din, especially sa in-store nila. So their store is located at Eton, kung nandito kayo sa Quezon City area, Eton City, sa may Quezon Ave. But I believe there are different locations yung Grol Audio. So you may visit their Facebook page, you may chat there. Makikita nyo rin doon kung ano yung mga na-install na nila. At the same time, you may also inquire if your car has an available head unit na. Alright, so I think that would be it for today's content. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe, click the notification bell button for a new video uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye.